Hi, it's Sue here from the Unicorn Advisory, your trusted Kajabi expert with a Kajabi Quick Tip for you. Now, today's tip is something that you can use within your courses, especially if you are doing live calls and giving replays to those calls within your courses. Did you know if you put your entire transcript, everything that is in the transcript in the actual text area, it makes it searchable within your product. So you can search for any word within the transcript and it is going to then come up if someone uses the search function within your product. So I know there is a particular strange word. I don't even know why it came up, but we are going to bring this up here. The word military was in today's transcript because we were talking about something else, and it's then going to find that in the course. So if you have things that you are talking about, things that you want people to be able to easily find, including the entire transcript in the actual text area, not just as an actual download, can be helpful. So if you don't want people to be able to search for it, that's fine, but I just thought I would share that with you as it is particularly helpful. But something else, I'm going to share my secret, awesome, well, maybe not so secret, but very awesome way of providing transcripts and being able to have searchable content that is totally free, no need for any other paid apps, and it works alongside Zoom. It is called Fathom. So this is an example of our Kajabi Unicorn Heroes support call that we had this morning. And in that call, went for about an hour and a half, I think. There's a lot of content in there. So being able to have that searchable is very, very helpful. So what we've actually done is we have copied the transcript and put the transcript into the entire section, this text area of the actual lesson. So the entire transcript is here, but what's very cool is you can click through to any particular part. So when someone is actually inside that lesson, when they click there, it is going to take them directly into this Fathom call at the point where that is. Very, very awesome. We can also do insights. So what we've done here with insights is we've just basically added kind of a quick summary of the different things that we were talking about. And again, it's then possible to actually just go through and watch just that part rather than watching the entire lesson. So being able to do that is incredibly helpful. There is a way that you can do it in Kajabi if you don't have access to something like Fathom, where you can create those little jump links. So you could make that as a link that actually jumped to the point of the video instead of taking you outside to this Fathom app. But I've been using Fathom for about probably 8 months. I adore it. I will put a link below, but it's right now free, and hopefully it's going to stay free. It's sort of one of those apps that's been developed to use for corporates, and so far in their timeline they said they will be keeping it free for individual users, and it just connects up with your Zoom, and it just makes a really nice experience, especially being able to share that transcript, and also importantly, when you copy the transcript, being able to have that searchable within your actual Kajabi content vault is incredibly helpful, especially if you are like us, where you have many years worth of calls that people might want to be able to search through. One thing that I would love that isn't quite there yet is the ability to actually search within your text area, which is why I really like having that ability where this will click through into Fathom, because then you can search in the transcript in Fathom. Probably understand why I love that so much. So that is it for your Kajabi tip today. I hope it was helpful, and I hope if you have a course, a membership, something like that, where you are giving people access to your very, very helpful information and to replays of your calls, that you will be able to use this. If you would like more Kajabi help, please do subscribe to this channel. I always shine with glee when I see someone has subscribed, or you can get on the quick tips list and get these tips directly into your inbox. You will be the first one to get the tip straight away, and you can go through and watch it and get a little bit better at Kajabi every single day. To get on that list, theunicornadvisory.com/quick tips to get a dose of Kajabi inspo in your inbox every weekday. Sue from the Unicorn Advisory. See you next time.